In the past couple of days, there has been a lot of buying pressure in the price of Bitcoin, and not only Bitcoin but in every other major crypto, because if Bitcoin pumps, then every other crypto pumps as well. But this is concerning, and I am going to enter in a trade on Bitcoin soon. So I will discuss each and everything about that in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Over here, I hope you can clearly see I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and first of all, I hope you already know that the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this important level at 91,200 or 91,500 approx, and this is a very important support and resistance for Bitcoin, but it did a breakout of this level with a very less volume, and the volume was pretty much less. I hope you can clearly see this was the volume of the breakout, and this right here is the average volume, as you can clearly see. So basically it was just close to average only, and still the price of Bitcoin did a breakout of this important level at 91.5k, and obviously this is just clear manipulation, and all big institutions just manipulated the price of Bitcoin and pumped the price towards the upside. I've already discussed this couple of times in my last videos. Right now they are popping up on the screen. So as of now, the price of Bitcoin is again pumping towards the upside, and right now it is at $102,000 level, and just very near its all-time high. So this is the Bitcoin price all-time high, so it is approx $110,000 approx, I would say. So as of now, obviously I'm not taking any trade because the price is in middle of nowhere. If the price comes near this support level, it has now become a support because the price of Bitcoin has done a breakout towards the upside from here down towards the upside. So either the price of Bitcoin comes at my support level, or it goes near its all-time high, which is obviously a good resistance. I hope you can clearly see right over here. This is a very good resistance. So if the price of Bitcoin goes near $109,000 or $110,000 level, or maybe it comes down to 91.5k, I will enter in a trade. I'm not personally taking any trade because it is a very silly decision to take a trade right over here, and the market is already trapping a lot of retail traders. Also talking about Ethereum, I hope you remember I went long on Ethereum somewhat over here at 7th and 8th April, and I did made a video about it as well, and made a tweet as well that I'm personally going long on Ethereum. This was my entry price at $1,500 approx, and I hope you can clearly see most of the trade I already closed it in profits, like bare minimum profits only, but rest of the trade I kept it running, and you can clearly see the market was sideways for some time, but Bitcoin's price got manipulated, so Bitcoin pumped towards the upside, and Ethereum also followed the same path. And you can clearly see I told you all that this is the next level where Ethereum can go, from $2,120 to $2,170. This is a very important resistance zone for Ethereum, and guess what, the price did exactly went till this purple zone. So technically my take profit 2 has been met successfully, because my take profit 1 was, wait a second, somewhat over here. This was my take profit 1 nearly, and this was my take profit 2, this whole purple zone. And obviously, see, if you know how to draw levels, then it becomes easy. If the price of Ethereum breaks this purple zone towards the upside, then the next level is obviously this right over here, this purple zone of resistance from $2,500 to $2,700, and this was my take profit 3, which has been met successfully. And obviously my take profit 4, so my target level is obviously this 2,720, the upper part of zone. But let's see if Ethereum reaches that level or not, or else I'll just trail my stop loss, because obviously my stop loss is way above now. And in the end, I'm on Solana's chart, and I hope you remember previously I said that on Solana, this is the very important resistance for Solana right now, from $168 approx to $175, and as of now the price of Solana is exactly at this resistance over here. I missed this trade obviously, or else I would have entered in a long position here, because you can clearly see price of Solana did a breakout of this important purple resistance zone and then did a retest as well. So I would have entered here, but it is what it is. As of now I expect the price of Solana to dump, meaning see, Solana can only dump when Bitcoin dumps and when Ethereum also dumps towards the downside. But Solana here is showing me a strong conviction that it will dump towards the downside a little bit, because you can clearly see earlier the price of Solana was in a downtrend. As you can see this high, lower low, lower 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 high. This was the last lower low Solana made at $95, and after that the price of Solana went in an uptrend. So from here, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So right now I expect the price of Solana to dump a little bit to form a new higher low at least. So let's see what happens. Obviously I'm not taking any short trade on Solana right now, because Bitcoin and Ethereum not showing any good confluence, good bearish confluence. So taking a bet on Solana is very risky obviously. So yes guys, this is it for today's video, and this was my analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. I am pretty much bearish on Solana. I'm bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, but it all depends on manipulation. See where the price of Bitcoin manipulates, and when the real price action will kick in, then only I will take my trades accordingly. On Ethereum still my trade is going in pretty much profits obviously, and I'm just trailing my stop loss. Let's see how far it can run. As of now I'm just waiting for a good setup to be formed so that I can take my trade. And if you want to buy or trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit, Binance, BitGet or any other centralized exchange. You can use a decentralized exchange as well. It's your choice totally. Link of them are in the description below, or else just you can go on search browser and create an exchange for free anywhere. Just don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.